I have some good news for you guys. The latest version of Movavi Video Editor, a program for making videos, has been released. Its latest upgrade is called Plus 2020. Hi everyone, you're watching the Movavi vlog. My name is Roman and I'm a lucky guy because I got a chance to see the new Movavi Video Editor Plus 2020 before its official release. And in this video, I'm going to show you all the new features of this program and have a chat with one of its creators in person. By the way, at the end of this video, you will find a promo code that gives 50% off the program and 3 additional effects packs. The promo code will be expired by Saturday, so bear that in mind. Well, let's get started. Movavi Video Editor Plus 2020 has replaced the version Plus 15. There are 4 major innovations in the program: an updated user interface, file library, new built-in effects, and frame-by-frame preview. In the next 3 minutes, I'll show you each of these new features. The interface. First off, the program has changed its look and gotten an upgraded design and interface. For comparison, this is what the previous version looks like. Icons and buttons have become a bit smaller and the program have more room now. The designers went for darker shades, and it seems like it's not just about aesthetics. With a darker interface, your eyes won't get so blurry if you've been editing your video for hours. Well, I think many video makers will understand. So how cool is the new user interface? Well, don't just trust my opinion, check it out yourselves. The 7-day trial version is available for download, by the way. The only thing I want to say is I got used to the new 2020 version in less than an hour. It contains all the usual editing tools, yet they're even more easier and faster to reach, I'd say. The file library. Okay, let me take you through a living example of why we need this. Let's say you filmed a lot of vacation footage. I bet you won't take all the materials to make up a final montage, so you need to go through every single clip and select the ones you like. It's not that convenient to do all this stuff right in the folder. Alternatively, you can import the footage onto the timeline. But it's not convenient as well, especially if your project promises to be long and tough. The file library comes in handy in situations like this. Let me show you how it works. I'm adding a group of files or even an entire folder to the library. I click on the clip and here we go. Now I can see the video in the preview window. This way, I can drag decent footage onto the timeline and get rid of bad clips right away. And if I'm not sure about some of these clips, I can leave them for a while and decide later. This feature also works great when you're picking up background music or images for a video. Every project has its own file library, so if you're creating a new project from scratch, the library will be empty. This won't let your montage turn into a hot mess of media files. The file library is a typical feature of professional and semi-professional video editors. This is the tool you need some time to truly evaluate. But as soon as you start editing your videos more frequently, you will understand how useful this feature is. It makes video editing process faster, keeps order in your original footage, and gives you the opportunity to create video series based on earlier projects as templates. The new effects, or should I say the entire effects categories. For example, the parallax category. There are 8 transitions imitating the parallax effect. It looks awesome. So if you want to make a dynamic action video, transitions like these will be just perfect. The next effects category is a tribute to the fashion of the 80s and 90s. Back then, TVs were so primitive that the picture was distorted all the time. Colors were disintegrating, some parts of the video froze or simply fell apart. These days we're feeling nostalgic for this kind of glitches, and that's why we want to spoil high-quality videos for prestige. If you feel nostalgic too, you'd like these and other effects that are built in Movavi Video Editor Plus 2020. Oh, and you can't really buy them as a separate pack, they're only available in the new version. The frame-by-frame preview. This is just a little but very important innovation. Now, it's not just an empty piece of footage you can see on the timeline. The program automatically shows you freeze frames within the piece. Also, the number of freeze frames increases as you scale the timeline up. I don't have to fast forward to the moment I need because I can see one scene here and another right here. It's super handy while you're working on big projects and long cuts. It basically saves you time. I'm quite sure you have a lot of questions about the naming, the new design, the differences between the Plus and non-Plus version. Well, I got a chance to talk to one of the creators of the program. Let's see what she can tell us. Hi, Alice!
Hi, Roman.
This is Alice, one of the people behind the Movavi video editor. I know you pretty well, but our viewers may not. So can you please tell us what exactly you do in the Movavi video editor team?
So I'm a product analyst, and this means that I do user research. And I create feature requirements for developers to make sure that our users are very happy with all of our features.
All right, second question. Where are we right now and what is this bull doing here?
We're at our head office where all the action is taking place. And as for the bull, I don't have the faintest idea what it's doing here. It's just there.
Is it employed? No?
I hope it doesn't get a bigger salary than I do.
I think he gets it. Okay. The latest version of the program so far was called Movavi Video Editor 15+, but the newest is called 2020+. Why?
So even though we're releasing this in 2019, we wanted the version number to reflect the year when it will be most relevant. This will help our users instantly find the newest version on the website, because everyone knows what year it is, right?
Makes sense. I was among the first lucky ones to try the new Movavi Video Editor 2020+, and the first thing I noticed is the new design. But why did you decide to change it so radically in the first place?
It's so pretty, isn't it?
It is.
The new design will solve a number of issues that our customers have told us about. We've gone through tons of user feedback, feature requests, we've had dozens of user interviews. So we would have people come to our office, we'd show them prototypes of the new design, and they'd give us their feedback. Then we'd go back to the drawing boards, have a few improvements, and then have a new round of user testing. So the new design isn't just about the looks. We believe that it will make the program easier to use.
Okay, what's the difference between the basic version of Movavi Video Editor and Movavi Video Editor Plus?
So these two versions were made with very different kinds of users in mind. The basic version is for people who just want to quickly edit a video without giving it too much thought. The Plus version is for people who want to express themselves or share their work on social media, start a YouTube channel or whatnot. With the Plus version, you can get crazy with special effects, make videos in 4K, animate almost anything, etc. So it's awesome.
Alice, I wonder, and I think many of our viewers do so too, do you guys use Movavi Video Editor yourself?
We so do. We have this fun little tradition. Every year after we release the new version, we make a small video to commemorate the release. It's just our team being silly, cracking inside jokes and such, but we always edit it ourselves in Movavi Video Editor. I use the Plus version.
All right, thank you so much for your time. This was Alice from the Movavi Video Editor team in person.
Be sure to check out the new version. Bye, guys!
And this is the part where I share the promo code with you guys. This is a special offer for the subscribers of the Movavi vlog. You can get the latest Movavi Video Editor Plus 2020 at half price. But don't rush to shut this video down and input your card details. I have an even better offer. 50% off for Movavi Video Editor Plus 2020 and 3 packs of ready-to-use intros, effects, transitions and titles. Naturally, such a hot deal won't wait for you forever. The promo code is available till October 11. October 12 will be too late. Just remember, you can always download the 7-day trial version to decide if the program is worth buying or not. Of course, the trial version is free. In the description of this video, you will find all the details about this hot deal and a link to a cart page with all the items and the discount applied, so you won't have to input the promo code yourself. The good news is the number of promo codes is unlimited, so feel free to tell your friends about this fantastic offer. That's all for now. Please tell us in the comments what you think about Movavi Video Editor Plus 2020. See you later!
Make sure to check
This is Alice from Movavi. She ends every phrase with whispering.
She doesn't.
She does. I don't.